Hey guys, we're at Hampden Park level crossing in East Sussex, but it's a bit different. I'm doing an intro, but I'm not doing the intro because I have no clue about the crossings. My lovely cousin is doing it for me, so off you go.
Alright guys, yeah, Hampden Park level crossing East Sussex with Harvey and Michael, and this is going to be an intro to the crossing. Right, let me just do it on the bridge, so, wait a minute.
Yeah.
Wait, put your camera at the lights.
Like,
These are LEDs, these are LED lights crossing. They're newish. I've been here for about a year or two. They come down. We've got a peak crossing to this side here. Level crossing information. The barriers are SPX rail system barriers, as you can see there. 1000 kilogram. Right. Put your camera just in there. So there's a motor box there.
so you're going to see the old barriers? I want to. Come on.
So you've got the footbridge. That's the footbridge there. It's kind of stopped the shoot, but don't actually really. Your barriers again.
Oh, there.
This is a quick introduction to the level crossings you've never done one before, and I have.
Well, I have as well, but it was a really cut one.
I'm going to go round the corner and check the old FPX. I think they're FPX. You can't really see them, to be honest, because it's not enough.
Later on, I might be possibly doing a challenge video. Yeah.
You now got yourself to
Penalty shootout.
stop parking outside my gates.
We do like roast. We have 4 balls, and then how many we get in, whoever wins. We have 4 balls, whoever gets.
Parking outside my gate.
The good thing about it, I think Max is really bad in goal, so be good for what?
I'll put your camera at the barriers.
Yeah.
Here are the old barriers for the level crossing. These barriers are old SPX, I think. So, yeah. So, that's just a quick introduction to the level crossing.
I'm not sure, but next week I could be going to New Haven with my cousin. I'm not sure yet.
We'll probably see you guys later on for the next closure of the park.
Oh, I'd also like to make a statement. If you like watching FIFA videos and people raging, check out a guy called Rotashaw. He's really funny and quite hilarious.
Oh yeah, and guys, I want to say a massive thank you for 25 subscribers to my YouTube channel.
Thanks for 10. I think it's still got 10.
Yeah.
So,
But I'm now going to stop the video here and wait for one goal 26.
I don't know if I'm going to stop it yet. I might just like.
We're now going to wait for one goal 26 other services lighting. I'm not sure where it is. Right, here, Michael. Stop recording.
Hang on, I just want to like, yeah. Hey yo.
Stop recording.
Hang on.
Stop recording and you can start recording again.
Ba ba la ba la bum.
So, once you're in the end video, then you're going to actually start it again. Like green and red, both ways.
Thank you guys for watching this. Hope you enjoy. Please like. See you next video. And bye.